Yo, what is good, bag chasers? It is your boy Bray of Bray Forex, and today I'm bringing y'all a banger on how to raise your Forex win percentage. Because I know a lot of y'all been blowing these accounts. Y'all done blew your whole stimulus check. You down bad. But guess what? Your boy Bray is here to get you out these trenches, man. So first off, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because I've basically been giving you guys free signals this past week, man. I've called out every trade I've taken before I took it, and I've won like 85–90% of these trades, y'all. So tap in. Follow me on Instagram completely free. But let's jump into this video. So what to do, right? You guys want to know, how do you get your win percentage up? How do you get this bag? How do you get this Lambo? How you quit these 9-to-5s, right? So the first thing you want to do is figure out, why are you trading, right? So I know some of y'all gonna be like, oh, we're trading because we want to get money, duh. But what I'm saying is, find out a real sentimental, not no cliche corny stuff, but find out a real sentimental reason why you're trading. For me, it's financial freedom. For some of you guys, it might be family. Me, I hate the idea of working a 9-to-5. I hate having a boss. I hate people telling me what to do, how much I'm worth an hour. That's not, no, bro. I want to be financially free. So once you figure out why you're trading and it means something to you, it's going to take you a lot further than most traders, because you're going to be like, I have to achieve this. This is my why. You have to have a purpose for anything in life, not just trading. Second, and I need to add this, write your goals down. Guys, write your goals down, either on a sticky note and put it somewhere you can see it, put it in a Google Doc, write it on a piece of paper, whatever you gotta do, and put it where you can see your goals every day. Like, guys, I take this very seriously because this helps you reach your goals. Like, I'm telling you, okay, for example, I done said like 1,000 times, but on my tower of my PC, it's under the camera, you can't see it, I have sticky notes with my goals and what I want to do. And when I become a just full-time trader, like a serious, like $6-figure $1 million trader, I have a routine that I want to follow, and I'll see it every day, and it motivates me, and it makes my goals more obtainable because I'm constantly seeing them. You get what I'm saying? So write your goals down, guys. Have goals and have them wrote down. Now let's get into the good part. Making a trading plan. Every successful trader has a trading plan. Q Bates, Nick Sean, Swaggy C, Jeremy Cash, it doesn't matter who you watch, they all have trading plans, right? So the first thing to make a trading plan, and you guys need to write this down in a separate Google Doc or a piece of paper, whatever you want to do, find a session that you like. There are 3 main sessions that are good to trade: New York, London, and Asian session. Me currently, I trade Asian session because with my break and retest strategy, that's the best session for me personally. Now, other people, they might trade break and retest New York because I know Nick Sean does, but for me, I like trading London, or no, Asian, I'm sorry, because I'm off work and stuff like that, and I'm just chilling at night like I am now. So find a session and trade that session every single day. Trade it every single day, because you're going to start seeing patterns in the market, and once you start seeing the patterns and you know how to react to the patterns, bro, you got it. You're going to see trades coming from a mile away. So boom, find a trading style. Now, if you're a beginner, what I recommend you do, go on the demo for 3 weeks to a month and try as many strategies out as you can, and find something that works good for you, that you find that you can sustain. You get what I'm saying? Because you can't keep trading strategies, guys. Like like for me, that was my main problem to becoming successful with this stuff and winning trades. I was taking like 20 trades a day, losing 18 of them, because I kept trying all these different strategies, and I kept seeing all these YouTubers, and I wanted to do what they were doing because I saw them making all this money and they made it look so easy. You have to find something that works for you and stick to it. And once you find that strategy that works for you, and get everything out your system, back test that, get on TradingView, buy the month or whatever, or the yearly subscription, and back test until you are good at your strategy, and then go live with it, guys. That's a key thing. A lot of us, we just want to jump into the market. Like me, I blew so many 50, 100, 200, 300, $1,000 accounts because I just jumped in the market and I didn't want to back test. I didn't want to demo. And guys, you're not going to be successful until you do this stuff, because you have to build consistently. You have to, basically, it's not a get rich quick thing. You just got to keep doing it and keep seeing setups over and over and over, and you will know what to take and what not to take. So next, only take trades with your setup. Guys, tonight I wanted to trade so badly, right? Because I've been on a win streak, but I'm not trading tonight because I don't see any setups. I didn't see any break and retest setups that I felt comfortable taking, and that's fine, because guess what? I did not lose any money. So in my eyes, I might as well have won, because I did not backtrack or lose any of my profits from this past week. That's why 99% of traders fail, because they force stuff. Don't force stuff in the market. The market doesn't care about you. It's like, imagine being with a girl, right? If you're with a girl and this is your first date, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to try to sleep with this girl on the first date unless there's a crazy connection, which is, I guess, kind of rare. Like, you don't just jump on this girl first time you see her and try to sleep with her. You work your way into it. You get what I'm saying? So don't try to force anything. It's like double and triple texting. Nobody wants to double and triple text. If you do that, stop. This is going to be called Bray dating instead of Bray Forex. But anyway, yeah, like, guys, only take trades with your setup. Next, only take 3 trades a day max. And guys, I don't care if you win all 3 trades, be done. Because if you're like me, you'll get cocky. You'll be feeling hot. You're like, oh yeah, I can destroy the market today. You'll take a setup and you'll lose all your profits for that day. It's not worth it. If you go 0-3, don't let it go. Just let it go. It's not your day. Keep it moving. If you go 0-2 and you feel like you're having a bad day, just let it go, guys. And if you win all 3, great. Be done. Like the other day, I won all 3 of my trades and I went to bed. Like, it's that simple. I got an extra hour or 2 of sleep because I finished early. Like, think about it. Like, think about your job, right? If you work a part-time or full-time job, once you're done with your work and your shift is over, do you say, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay late by choice? No. Like, if you're trying to work doubles and stuff to make money, yes. But like, realistically, once your work is done, you go home for the day. So why would you stay in these markets and you don't need to be in the markets? Take your 3 trades and be done. Guys, do not keep trading. I'm telling you, I took like 20 trades a day and I used to lose like 17. It's not worth it. And do not revenge trade. Like I was saying, guys, if you're in the market and you're getting your back blown out, be done for the day, guys. Like, because it's better to lose a little bit of money, come back the next day, and there's a possibility you getting it back, rather than you blowing your account and you got to go back into your personal bank account to get money to fund your account. Or if you put all you had in the market, you're broke and you can't trade again until you save money back up. So if you lose, if you're losing over and over after 2 or 3 trades, call it a day, guys. The market is not going anywhere. The market will be here tomorrow. I promise. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Next, only look at charts once a day. Guys, when I first started trading, bro, I was on the charts all day. You can ask my family, you can ask my friends. I was on the chart. Like, if I go somewhere with family or friends, I'm on the charts. If I'm sitting at home, I'm on the charts. If I'm at work, going break, I'm on the charts. You only want to look at charts when you're trading, because you're going to get enticed to overtrade and take multiple trades during the day. You're going to be forcing setups that aren't really there. And what's the point of just looking at the charts all day? It's not interesting. Like, it's really not that interesting, guys. It's just candlesticks. Like, I'm just being real with y'all. Next, do not over leverage. If I see you out here with a $50 account and you're using 0.10s or trying to use a 1 lot size, a standard lot, bro, I am going to stone cold stunner you, bro, because you're over leveraging. If you have a $50 account, the most you should do is a 2 cent lot. The most you should be doing, because, bro, you are over leveraging. Now there's some people who are experienced and they grow accounts like me. When I grow accounts and stuff, I do kind of up my lot size a bit. That's because I have a strategy that works and I know how it works, and I've been back testing and I'm gaining experience. But if that's all you got is a $50 account, trade it smartly. Use low lot sizes. You can compound and then you can up your lot size, guys. You can up your lot size. That's what most traders do. They trade the same way they did before they got rich. They just up their lot size. Like once you get more money. So next, don't risk any more than 3% per trade. For me, my rule is 1 to 3%. Some people do 5%. For me, don't risk more than 3% trades because, guys, okay, let's say you do 1%. You have to lose 100 trades to blow your account. If you lose 100 trades, you need to just be on the demo. You don't even, bro, you need to be in the demo. You need to be back testing, and you need to pay for a mentor at that point. I honestly think you need to either A, pay for a mentor, or B, you need to focus harder. You need to figure something out. But I say don't risk more than 1 to 3% because you have to lose a lot of trades to blow your account. Use take profits and stop losses. Guys, when I first started trading, I was not using a stop loss or a take profit. I was just in there hitting buy and sell, going crazy, blowing accounts. And what I had to realize is when you do a take profit and a stop loss, it manages your risk, and it only has you in a trade a certain amount of time, because you're not going to be in a trade all day unless you're a swing trader. But if you're a scalper kind of like me, or an intraday kind of like me, you want to be in and out the market. So once it hits my take profit, okay, I'm done. I got my 30 pips, my 60 pips. The other day I had a trade that hit 90 pips. I was happy about that. Yeah, but that's the main thing. You want to have a take profit and stop loss. This is the most important part, is a stop loss. Guys, do not move your stop loss. If you see a trade nearing your stop loss, get out, bro. And you can give your trade a second chance later on, but you made the wrong move, bro, and it's okay. Or sometimes liquidity will stop you out and you can get back in then, because every trade I lost this week was because I got stopped out because my stop loss was too tight. So, but me, I like 20 pips or less for my stop loss. I don't have big stop losses, because I try to get 1 to 2 risk rewards, so I have very, very small stop losses. But yeah, guys, do not move it, because when you move it, not only are you showing you don't trust your analysis and you're not a confident trader, you're also risking more money. And what's the point? What's the point? Next, risk reward 1 to 2. Guys, whenever you take a trade, you want your risk reward to be minimum 1 to 2. I like to do 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So does Swaggy C or the Swag Academy, because if you do 1 to 2, you're risking 1 unit for 2 units a gain. So if you win 1 trade, you can suffer 2 losses. Or if you do 1 to 2, if you do 1 to 3, you get 1 win. That'll cover 3 losses. And that's just what you want to aim for, guys, because you really want to be risking gaining more than you're losing. I don't like 1-to-1s. I sometimes will take a 1-to-1 if I just want a quick little scout, but 90% of the time, no, 99% of the time, I'm taking minimum a 1 to 2. So that's just another thing that'll help you guys. Next, do not compare yourself to other traders. You are not Q Banks. You're not Daniel Savage. You're not Nick Shine. You're not Jeremy Cash. You're none of these guys. Guys, we all have to be ourselves. We all have to compete with only ourselves. If you have to unfollow these traders on Instagram, unfollow them. I used to try to be like, oh, I got to have high lot sizes so I can get a Lambo like all these other traders. No, bro, they've been trading for years. Bro, I haven't even been trading a full year, bro. I still got a long way to go, and I got to focus only on me. I didn't start winning trades consistently until I started focusing on my strategy and being better than I was yesterday. That's my only goal, is to be better than I was yesterday as a trader. And if you keep doing that, you're going to get to the level of all these other traders anyway. So don't compare yourself. Do what makes you happy. Take setups that work for you, not other traders. Next, follow your gut. And this comes to anything in life, not just trading. But if you're in a trade and you think, you know what, something doesn't feel right, this trade is going to go negative, it's going to hit my stop loss, get out before it hits your stop loss. Now, if you're unsure and you're like, well, there's a chance, then stay in and you have your stop loss as a cushion. But if you know for a fact yo, this is going in a complete opposite direction. This trade is done. Get out early. Because guess what? You still technically won because yes, you lost a little money, but you managed risk. You lost way less than you were supposed to lose. So you still retain a lot of your money or even a little bit. So, you know what? That's it. Next thing, guys, learn, and this isn't on the thing, but this just came to my head. Learn how to take profit. A lot of you guys do not understand. If you have a small account or if you have a big account, 50 cents is profit, 10 cents is profit, $1 is profit, $5 is profit, $10 is profit, 1,000, a million, it don't matter. Anything that's not negative is profit. Learn how to take it. There's been so many trades when I had a smaller account, I'd be up like $1, $2 in profit, and I wouldn't take it. The trade would go south, and I knew I should have got out with $1 or $2, trying to be greedy, and I end up losing money and blowing the account because, guys, we have to learn how to take money. Like, a lot of y'all just see the numbers on the screen, but you don't realize if you have $500-$600 in front of you, that's a lot more money than it looks like in MetaTrader. Like, that's what y'all have to understand. Like, anything that increases your account is what matters. A lot of us, we're trying to grow our account 20%, 50%, 30% in a day, which you can, but it's not sustainable. Like, most traders, they try to grow like 5 to 10% a month. Y'all trying to get that in a day. Relax. If it does happen, great, take it. And if you want to keep trading, take a small percentage of your profit from that day, open a new trading account, and then you can do it. And if you blow it, it's not going to hurt you because it's not your main account. But don't be out here with your main account just being greedy, bro. Take profit. Profit is profit, and be happy. Last but not least, and this is the most important part, manifest and be positive. Now, I know you guys might not all believe in manifestation, but I do. And if you don't, just be positive. Just whenever you trade, say you're going to win this trade. Tell yourself you're a good trader. Talk to yourself, boost yourself, because trading is mental, guys. That's the hard part, is having discipline and believing in yourself, being confident and just consistent. Like, when you're in your mind and you're thinking bad thoughts, you're thinking you're not a good trader, you're going to lose trades. And I've doubted myself a lot. I lose. But when I tell myself, oh yeah, I'm a good trader, I know what I'm doing, I'm consistent, I win more trades, guys. And you got to speak money into your life. You got to be like, oh yeah, I get up in the morning, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to make a lot of money today trading. I'm going to make more money than I've ever made before trading. And the more I do it, the more I win, the more money I make. Like, guys, you have to believe in yourself and you have to stay positive. Write down your goals. Get to know your goals. Get on Zillow like this. Look right here. Okay, I'm on the charts, which I'm not taking this trade. I was going to take this trade, but I'm not taking this trade because I just don't like what it's doing. It's been consolidating for years. But anyway, look, I'm on Zillow. I want to move to Texas. I'm looking at houses. 500K between $1 million. Can I afford that right now? Heck no, I can't afford that. But guess what? I'm manifesting. I'm being positive because I want it. Like, guys, look at cars. Like me, I be going looking at Audis, R8s. I be looking at Lambos. I be looking at McLarens. You got to manifest things into your life. And tomorrow I'm going to drop a Forex motivation video for you guys. And I'm going to just be talking about stuff like that, my goals and different things like that. But guys, manifest, be positive, speak good things into your life, speak winning trades into your life, guys. Everything that you think and say, it comes to fruition. That's why you see people who think and talk negative, bad things always happen to them, because that's all they put out. That's all the energy they put out into the world, like just negative energy. Be positive. But yeah, that's everything that I have done to raise my win percentage. And the key things is, look, have a trading plan, find a session, find a trading style that works for you. That's my biggest thing. I kept watching all these other YouTubers and trying to copy everybody's trading style. You can't copy everybody's trading style because it's not going to match. They're going to go against each other and you're going to end up confused. Like this guy I was helping in a Zoom call. I was helping him the other morning in a Zoom call. He was telling me all these traders he was watching. I was telling him I had to quit watching all these traders because you can't trade like everybody. You can only trade like you or one person. Yeah, so just find a trading plan and stick to it. Only take setups that work for you, and you will win more than you lose. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know this has been a long video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. It's been your boy Bray. Let's get this bag, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.